everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and currently I'm in North Wildwood because you guys had a ton of questions about the erosion taking place over here, and today I'm going to share it with you guys. I decided, instead of just walking around and just showing it to you this way, I have the drone and we're going to put it in the sky to give you a bird's eye view of the damage. Now before we do, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Now before I put the drone up, I do have to say it is extremely windy out, so the shots are not as beautiful as I normally like them to be, nice and smooth and curving, and so I apologize in advance. But I'm going to go ahead and share it with you guys right now. Let's go. guys go, as you can see, a lot of the beach is missing. Now, I do know that they are going to do some kind of beach replenishment sometime in the spring. They're waiting on A, the metal, and B, for the weather to get a little bit better, because we are expecting a nor'easter sometime in the future. I actually think it's within a week. So please, Mother Nature, be nice to our beaches. I'm going to go. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you later.